Hello guys, in this video I'm just about to reveal to you 5 cool social media platforms which you could take advantage of right now to start promoting your CPA build marketing offers in the year 2023 and beyond. So make sure you do watch to the end and learn these exact same strategies which I'm going to show you right here in the year 2023 and beyond. So guys, without much introduction, let's just simply jump right into the purpose of today's video. So first of all guys, you want to head on to the CPA build right here. If you don't have an account with CPA build, just click on register, and if you do click on register right now, you could go on to filling out this form where you just simply have to fill out all the fields that are having these red asterisk signs, because that red asterisk sign actually indicates the field that is necessary for you to go on to fill in before your account can be created on this platform. Make sure you do fill out your name, your last name, your email address, your username, the password, repeat the password, fill out the country, the street address, the state, the city, the zip code. You could skip the Skype ID because it doesn't have the red asterisk sign. Make sure you do fill out what you had about this platform form. You can just simply tell them that it's from my YouTube channel right here. You could also go on to filling out the current network and website, but you could skip that if you don't want to fill that because that's optional right there. And you could fill out the promotional methods for traffic. And you could also check out the video right here which I made for you on how you can actually go on to creating a CPA build account right here in this particular channel. So guys, once your account has been created and you go on to logging into your account right now, you could see right here I'm on this section right here. You just want to go on to selecting offers right here, click on all offers, and you'll be able to see a lot of offers which you can actually go on to promoting once this page actually loads out successfully. You could see right here there are a lot of offers which you could just simply go on to selecting from and going on to uploading or promoting right now. You could filter offers based on country, based on name, based on anchor, ID, status, traffic, user status, category, other results by, and other type. And once you actually do that guys, you will get offers that you actually want to promote right there. And in order for you to promote such offers, you want to just simply take advantage of these 5 social media platforms. And the first one right here is the Facebook right here. So you want to just simply take advantage of Facebook. Make sure you do go onto the group section by clicking on see all groups, and maybe you are promoting an offer that is actually good for weight loss, or maybe an Amazon gift card offer. I'm just going to type in something like gift card right here. And if I do go on to searching for gift card related groups, you could see right here that there are a lot of gift card related groups that are having a lot of traffic right now. So guys, I could just simply go on to selecting one of these group right here, such as this USA gift card. And if I do join this group, you could see I can actually do go on to writing something in this particular group. So basically guys, you want to just simply go on to writing a cool call to action for that particular gift card offer, and you want to just simply chip in your unique affiliate link right here. So in doing that guys, you're actually driving traffic to that CPA build offer right here, because if you do scroll through, you can see people right here commenting or posting right here, I have a free gift card, who needs? And people are actually in need of that right here. You could see this person says I need it, this person says I'm interested. You could see right here this person says Amazon gift card available, gift card for free on Amazon. You could see people are actually interested in that right here. So you want to just simply go on to using exactly the same strategy and start promoting your CPA build marketing offers. So you could actually do go on to checking out other groups right here, go on to as many groups out there and actually do go on to promoting your CPA build marketing offers right now. So that's it for the Facebook right here. You may also want to go on to making use of this platform, which is the second platform, which is called the twitter.com. And if you do head on to Twitter, go on to the explore section right here. You could just simply go on to searching for people that are actually in need of maybe money right here. So if I do go onto Twitter and search for something like I need money right now, you'll be able to see a lot of people that are actually in need of money. But before going on to searching for this right here, make sure you do go back, click on this settings icon, and you want to just simply focus on explore on locations that is actually you want to just simply promote your offer to. Maybe if you want to promote an offer to the United States, go on to the explore location and go on to searching for the United States right here. So if I do go on to skip to coming right here to the bottom and I do go on to selecting the United States, I'll be able to see posts that are actually related to that particular section. So once I've done that, guys, you could just simply come right here and search for "I need money." And if you do search for that, go on to the latest right here, and you'll be able to see people's posts that are actually in need of money right here. This person says, "I'm just figuring out Twitter. I need money and I would love to win at some point." So you could see right here, this person is in need of money right now. You just want to just simply come right here to this section, go onto the comment section and comment on that particular post right there, telling them that to gain easy money right here, they can actually gain access to that free gift card right there, which you actually do have for them, and just simply paste in your CPA build affiliate link, and they're actually going to go through that particular link right there, go on to clicking the link, complete that offer for them to gain access to that particular gift card which you're actually promoting right there. So you also want to make sure you do chip in something like they have to just simply complete a simple survey for them to gain access to such gift card, so that once they are going through the offer, they will actually go through that till the end right there. So you want to just simply go on to maybe promoting that right there using this strategy. Check out people that are actually in need of money right now, and you want to just simply make use of them to actually promote your gift card offers. That's going to be a win-win for everyone, as they will stand a chance to actually win that particular gift card, and you also be earning some cool affiliate commission via promoting such offers. So that's the second platform which you could use right here, called the Twitter.com. You could take advantage of the third platform right here, called the Instagram right here. You want to just simply take advantage of Instagram theme pages by going on to Instagram, creating a cool Instagram account tailored to a particular niche. Maybe if you want to do something related to giveaway right now, you want to just simply create an account that is related to giveaway. Make sure that the banner and the profile photo are actually related to that particular niche right there, and you want to just simply go on to setting out your bio. But in your bio, guys, you want to make sure that the link to your CPA marketing offer, which is your CPA build offer, is right here in the bio of your account right here. And once that is actually right there, you want to just simply start driving traffic to this profile page or your team page as much as possible. And how do you drive traffic to that right there? It's just by simply growing your Instagram account. And you could grow your Instagram account by making sure that you post regularly every single day. You want to make sure you post about 3 to 4 times every single day right here, and that will also help you boost your Instagram account and Instagram views right there. So you could also go on to maybe people's videos or people's content that have actually made it in that particular niche. So you want to just simply engage on such individuals' posts and comment right there by commenting on their posts, liking their posts right there, and a lot of people will also be interested in you and tend to follow you by doing so. So you could actually go on to maybe using the follow for follow strategy, and that could also help you grow your Instagram account. And in growing your Instagram account, you will increase the number of people that actually do come on to clicking your link and the profile of your account right there, and that will actually increase your chance of getting more conversions from such platforms. So that's basically how to do the Instagram right here, or promote your offers with Instagram. The same strategy actually works for TikTok right here. If I do go on to searching maybe one person right here on TikTok, you can see right here that this person is actually promoting some link right here. You can see right here that this person actually has Amazon product reviews right here that is actually promoting via this section. So they actually did use a link tree to house multiple links in this particular section. So you want to just simply reverse engineer this exact same process, or you could do the same process which you actually did on Instagram right here on TikTok. That's actually going to work just fine. So moving on to the fifth and final platform is taking advantage of this platform right here, called the Pinterest.com. So the Pinterest.com is a platform that usually gets about 1 billion visits every single month. So you want to just simply make sure you do try and take advantage of such traffic to start earning some cool amount online right now by going on to creating cool and amazing videos or images, which you could just simply come right here on Pinterest and begin to upload. And in uploading those videos or images, just simply come right here, click on create pin right now, And once you actually do that right here, guys, you'll be brought to this section where you just want to go on to inserting the image, adding a title, a description, and you could add in some keywords that will help your video or image rank right there, and also go on to inserting the link to that particular CPA marketing offer in the destination link right here. So these are actually cool ways, because a lot of people that will actually go on to seeing your image, just like how you are seeing such images right here. Maybe they might actually go on to seeing this image, click on this image right here, which is going to bring them to this particular section. So you could see right here, this person is actually promoting this particular link in this section. If I do click on this link right now, it's automatically going to take me somewhere else, maybe their blog post or something actually related to that, where I can actually go on to purchasing this particular product. So basically this is exactly the same strategy which you want to use right here on Pinterest. Putting a unique affiliate link that will actually help you to drive traffic to that particular CPA marketing product right there. And in doing so, you'll be able to earn some cool cash by doing so right now in the year 2023 and beyond. So guys, that's it for now, right? That is the 5 best platforms or CPA social media platforms which you could take advantage of right now to start promoting your CPA marketing offers. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. I hope this video has been of help to you. Why not go on to smashing the like button, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and your notification bell is turned on all. So see you all in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.